Hey Amazon sellers! Need to file a safety claim for damaged or missing products received in returns? In this short video, I'll guide you through the steps to get your reimbursement quickly. First, log in to your Seller Central dashboard using your user ID and password. Then, navigate to the Orders section located in the left-hand menu. Next, go to Manage Orders from the drop-down menu and copy the order ID of a returned order. Please note, safety claims can only be filed for seller-fulfilled orders. Since this account exclusively sells via FBA, the order ID I'm copying will not qualify for a safety claim. Nevertheless, you can still follow the process to learn how to file a claim for seller-fulfilled orders. To view the seller-fulfilled orders, simply switch by clicking on the View Seller-Fulfilled Orders button located in the upper right corner. Your order will be visible here, and you can copy the order ID for filing the claim. Once you've copied the order ID, it's time to proceed with filing a safety claim. Navigate to Manage Safety Claim under the Orders section. Here, click on File a New Safety Claim. It will redirect you to the filing page where you can enter the order ID and check its eligibility. I have entered an FBA order ID, so it won't be eligible for filing the claim. You need to enter a seller-fulfilled order ID to check its eligibility for the claim. You will see a green tick mark if you are eligible for the claim. And now you'll need to select the appropriate reason, as shown in the video, and upload images of the product and the received parcel. Once you have uploaded the required images, click on Submit. And that's it. You've successfully filed a safety claim to get reimbursed for your damaged or missing product. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Amazon seller tips and tutorials.